July 1st, 2024, Tybee Island, Gordon K. Matthews. Savannah Bee Company. It was just a fledgling little company. A friend asked me to go by and meet the owner, who's a real beekeeper. I spent a couple of hours and I said, I think I can help you. You know, you're a manufacturing company because you have to process the honey. I understand retail, I understand financial side, but you can't afford to pay me because you're not making any money. I said, I'll give you an invoice every month, tell you how much time I spent, I'll tell you what I did, and at some point, you'll be able to pay me. But I don't know when that'll be. And we shook hands, and that was it. Nothing in writing, that was just the agreement. And I jumped in and became the CFO of that company. And then at some point, we had so many opportunities that I was frustrated that the owner was the CEO. And I sat down with him and drew an organization chart, you know, marketing and all that kind of stuff. And then the box for CEO. And I said, which box do you want to be in? And he said, I'd like to be the marketing person. Therefore, I became the CEO. For the first time, I could really do all the pieces, the systems, the personnel, the compensation, and we went from a little scrambling kind of a place to an incredibly successful, but very ethical kind of place. Everything we sold was tested to be sure the honey was in great shape. Employees loved it because they got to tell the story of the bees and they knew they were selling a quality product. It just grew because we were doing things right.